Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. During an IRS examination, basically an audit, a taxpayer becomes uncomfortable answering questions and requests time to obtain a qualified representative. What is the examiner required to do? So what's the IRS is required to do? Now, if you're not sure about this, this examination, you can ask AI to explain this topic before you answer the question, but I hope you read the notes, viewed the lecture before answering this question. So let's take a look at the answer choices here. The examiner will continue the examination until the taxpayer provide Form 2848, which is a power of attorney. No, you just have to stop. You cannot continue. You have to give the taxpayer time to obtain this 2848, find the appropriate representation. So A is out. It's too harsh, right? B, terminate the audit permanently. That's kind of easy elimination. Just because they ask for representation, you don't terminate, you don't say case is closed, and everyone will take that option, right? That's an easy elimination. C, suspend the examination and allow time for representation. That sounds like a reasonable solution. You'd say, okay, we'll stop for now. I'll give you some time to get a representation, the proper representation. Between A, B, and C, I'm going to keep C, but I have to look at D. Proceed only with written questions. No, you just have to suspend, including any written questions. D is out. Now, you could also ask the AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer. It will elaborate differently, little bit more in depth if you would like to. And if you would like to test yourself more about this topic, you could ask the AI to create a similar MCQ for you. What should you do now? As a student, enrolled agent, CPA exam candidate, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, like podcast lessons, additional lectures, the AI assistant, notes, multiple choice, video MCQs, video simulations. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Good luck, study hard, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.